Ooh, ooh, ooh. I'm glad to hear one candidate talk about campaign reform. He wants to restrict the use of lobbyists. He wants to restrict the amount of money they can contribute to a candidate. Both the Republicans and Democrats oppose this. This is their power base. If you take that away, what is left is the people that scares them to death. This is supposed to be a government for the people, by the people. Well, at times it's more like for the business, by the business. Do politicians really care for the common man? I believe we need political reform. Oh. Ah. 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 Ah.